Hello guys, let's talk today about this TP-Link AV1000. This is a Powerline adapter, which means you can connect to your power outlet and you can have internet from here. Okay, so basically you connect one cable from here to your PC, and in the other end you connect this to outlet and connect to your router. Okay, so you have then the PC using this converter, right? This is the Powerline converter, and then the internet goes through the wires, right, on your house, on your apartment, whatever, right? And then you can use, instead of using Wi-Fi, for example, depending where you are, you don't have access to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi is not that good, so this works that way. Okay, so let me show you how I have connected to my PC. Right now I don't have the cable yet, just to show you that I'm connecting here using Wi-Fi. So basically the connection is via Wi-Fi, and then I can use my computer normally here. Let's say going to CNN.com, and here I can access everything that I want. Here we go, via Wi-Fi. And let's say I don't want to use Wi-Fi anymore because either I don't have it or something happened. Let's say then I need to use my TP-Link. Then what I have to do is connect my cable. This cable is coming from my PC, so I come here to the TP-Link and I connect the cable here. All right, then I just need to wait here to sync with the other side. Okay, it's synced already with the other TP-Link that's close to the router, and I have now the connection with the cable. Then let me just make sure I have the cable connected and Wi-Fi disabled. Let me just come here to my network. Here, Ethernet, change adapter options. Okay, let me just disable Wi-Fi here, just for the sake of this test. And here I have the cable, so the cable must be enabled. Here we go, it's connected, as you can see here. I have some traffic, so it's basically working now, right? So I just come here, and now I'm no longer using Wi-Fi, I'm using cable here, right? You can see I'm using cable. And then I can still work, keep working here. Let me just go to Google, CNN again. It's loading, and here we go. I have my computer working. Instead of using the Wi-Fi, it's using this TP-Link AV1000, which is the Powerline. Okay, so works pretty fine. I've been using here for a while for different things here on my lab. Sometimes you have devices that need to connect to cable. There is no option for Wi-Fi. You can use this device as well. Okay, so it works pretty good. I got it from Amazon and I recommend it.